My son was on a mission, but not any mission, the mission. To find a girl, but not any girl, the girl. And he asked me to help him make an engagement ring box. And he set out to make the ring, but not any ring, the ring. So he took her up to Montana to Rock Creek to find sapphires.
Rotate. And flip it towards yourself. Like a cake, like a cake. You got this.
He almost got caught by his cousin at the jewelry making place one night.
So the gem is finished. It's got some pretty color. It has a little bit of silk in the center of the gem, which impacts its clarity, but it's still a pretty little gem. It ended up being just over a carat.
Wood sandwich. Chopped up. Here's one of the extra pieces right here. You can already see how pretty that's going to be. And then here's the whole block of it. Just mismatched each one of the pieces. Just keep pushing them together now. And glue them up.
Hope she says yes.
The video where I chop off my finger. Show it.
Go viral, go viral. We're building something with no pattern in mind yet.
Well, we had a pattern and
Yeah, it didn't quite line up. The problem with the saw blade taking too much material off. Body of the box.
it's a lot better than.
Attempt number one,
Yeah.
remove too much material, it did not line up.
Yeah.
So, attempt number two, still looking great. It'll be 3 by 3 by 3 square. Christmas rolled around and I found out how good of a cook she is. T-minus 7 days until my son proposes. She has no idea what we're going to prepare for this. Not for you.
Past one of my favorite ones. Here we go.
read it. Read it for the class.
Yeah, read it.
For sure the bit's like.
I don't know, you tell me. This is your project. I'm just supervising. Make no promises.
Not done.
Go ahead and stop. Let's clear it.
That's not thicker. I was expecting.
So on New Year's Eve, he took her out on a day date and kept her busy all day. And we went up in the foothills around one of the power lines where he had asked her to be his girlfriend a year earlier. And we set up fairy lights and candles and prepared the place for him to propose that evening. We were just waiting for the fireworks show to start. As soon as we heard them coming up the trail, we made a run for it to get out of there and let them be alone.
Bluetooth back on. Gotta turn my Bluetooth back on.
Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
Oh, look.
Oh, those are close. Move the chair so we have a better dance floor.
Who set up? Who helped you?
I don't know what you're talking about. But
Was it your
I
parents?
want you to help me set up too.
Was it
I know your picture was pretty early, or like that one from a couple days ago. But I think I got you beat because I think you should put this one up too.
What the frick?
Right there.
Your parents did this.
you
There's no
talking
way. What the frick, Coleman?
Angelina Marie Cordero, will you marry me?
Yeah. Coleman. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Coleman.
You take your glove off.
Coleman.
Hi. Yeah?
Put it out.
Huh?
I put it out.
Oh, whoops.
I'm shaking.
I'm too. You're not alone.
When did you do? I'm sure today was kind of a lot.
You said yes, right? Yes. Okay.